Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon severe weather update. So, looking at our severe weather threat for tomorrow, a slight risk of severe weather has been issued now tomorrow across southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Kansas, and northern and western Missouri in the yellow, including Kansas City, and we have a marginal risk of severe weather extending from northeast Texas through eastern Oklahoma, much of eastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, southern Iowa, western Illinois, and central Missouri in the dark green. And unfortunately, tomorrow's severe weather threat comes with a tornado threat, where we have a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of location in eastern Kansas and western Missouri, including the Kansas City metro area. So make sure you're on guard for some scattered tornadoes, especially if you live in the Kansas City area tomorrow. We have a 2% chance of tornadoes extending from Oklahoma City through Tulsa, Wichita, Kansas in the dark green. Make sure you're on guard for a couple of isolated tornadoes if you live in the dark green area tomorrow. Damaging wind threat. We have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of location across northeast Kansas and northwestern Missouri, including Kansas City, and a 5% damaging wind risk from northeast Texas through southern Iowa in the brown tomorrow. And looking at our large hail threat, we could be seeing hailstones of golf ball to tennis ball to baseball size in this hatched area tomorrow in northeast Kansas and western Missouri, including Kansas City. So if you live in Kansas City tomorrow, make sure you're parking your cars in the garage, as you could be seeing some very large and destructive hail in the Kansas City area tomorrow. We have a 15% chance of quarter size hail or larger within 25 miles of location in the yellow area tomorrow, and a 5% chance in the brown area tomorrow. And taking a look at Thursday's severe weather threat, Thursday's severe weather threat just expanded big time since yesterday's update. We have a slight risk of severe weather across central northeast Texas, eastern Oklahoma, western Arkansas, far West Louisiana, and this slight risk now extends to cover much of Missouri into southeastern Iowa and northern and western Illinois, with a very large marginal risk extending from Austin, Texas through Chicago, Illinois. And looking at our probabilities of severe weather within 25 miles of a location for a Thursday, we do have two hatched areas now, one across the Ark-La-Tex in southeastern Oklahoma, and the other across southeastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and northern Missouri. And this is likely going to be for large destructive hail on Thursday of golf ball to tennis ball to baseball size. So make sure you're really monitoring the weather for Thursday if you live especially across the two hatch zones, including Waco, Dallas, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Des Moines, Iowa, Hannibal, Missouri, and Peoria, Illinois. So thanks for watching this evening's severe weather update. I'm going to continue to keep you guys updated, especially on Thursday's threat, as the days progress. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.